Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today's money saver project is fixing a ladder. I was given this 32-foot Type 1 extension ladder, high quality ladder, and I'd like to be able to use it, except it's broken on the top. So here you see a close-up of the break. This ladder is $459, so let's fix it. What we're going to do to fix this is first, put it up on some horses so we can work like gentlemen or gentlewomen, and we're going to cut off the bad part of the ladder. After we do that, we'll dress up the cut and we'll put some aftermarket ladder pads on top to fix it. So here we're measuring the exact same distance down from the top of the ladder to the rung so that we can translate it into the next opening. Because we want the ladder to look exactly like it should when it's done. And the manufacturer specified that length for a reason. So let's match it. Now we're using a metal cutting blade on the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Sawzall, which I like a lot, to cut through this. But now on the other side, we'll make our cut, and once we get through it to the end, you'll see me reach over and hold up the piece. That way it doesn't fall off. There we go. Now we'll dress it up here with a flat wheel on a grinder. And here's those aftermarket pads I was telling you about. These are actually made by the same company that makes the ladder, but they're available from other companies as well. We'll push those on, they're a pretty tight fit. Give them a little tap, make sure they're seated. Same thing on the other side. And away we go. Next, we have to put a new halyard on the ladder. The halyard is a fancy name for the rope that lets you extend the ladder from the ground. Here I've got a new piece of rope that I'm going to use. I know, it's uncharacteristic, but we're going all out on this one. I'm going to tie a quick bowline knot in the end of the rope. There's other YouTube videos about how to do this. Check them out. I like the quick knot better than chasing the rabbit around the tree. Here it is. Now we're going to use that knot to cinch around the bottom rung of the fly section of the ladder, which is the part of the ladder that moves and doesn't touch the ground. Next, we're going to feed that rope through between the rungs and through the pulley that was already on the ladder. Now we'll come back down to the other end, and we'll tie a clove hitch here around the rungs. That helps keep the ladder together for transport. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe for more great videos, and let me know what you're working on in the comments below.